Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple way to do keyword research using just Google. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, or SEO enthusiast, this quick trick will help you find the right keywords to boost your content. Let's get started. So here we are on google.com. The easiest way to start keyword research is by simply typing a keyword related to your niche into the Google search bar. For example, let's type in healthy recipes. As you start typing, you'll notice that Google automatically gives you a list of suggestions. These suggestions are some of the most commonly searched phrases related to your keyword. For example, Google suggests keywords like healthy recipes for dinner, healthy recipes for weight loss, and healthy recipes for kids. These suggestions are a great source of keyword ideas, as they show you exactly what people are searching for. You can also refine your keywords by adding more specific terms, like easy, quick, or low carb. Google will continue to give you more specific suggestions, helping you narrow down your focus to long-tail keywords, which are often less competitive. And that's it. Using Google's auto-suggestions is a quick and effective way to find relevant keywords for your blog posts or videos. It's free, easy, and gives you insights into what people are actually searching for. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content creation tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.